All right. With the Mukisa, the great. I'm supposed to remove my shoes, Chirabika. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you know chenkoze chibi? Picnics normally. Bambala bitete. So munanso nyuwaba seven.
No, I knew you wanted me to show like abantu bandabire dante mata we yazayamba de nokutete. But it is okay.
No, by the way, era bandaye munsonyiwe. When I'm bagalo planning picnic dresses, ate babera ne theme colors. So
this year. Okay. No, it depends I think on what you want.
So, Mata agambye ayagala tu wa surprise ko Tufumbe show today. Nagamba nze mwesirikire katukoleka pick.
You know.
Oh my god.
Meanwhile, wanga imbuno oli ku weight loss. Ne Fumbe ebintu nga bigenda kujja muki?
Mu weight gundi yange.
No, ndi ku weight loss. Wakuba breastfeeding hunger. Kwata eyo. Breastfeeding hunger manyo kuyitawo. You decided.
So what happened? So tukola tutya?
Get forward.
Okay.
Ne munenda nge okugamba tukole picnic. Nale nya kuvaako waka.
Motherhood bikutwala.
Bintwala. You know, you need to make sure that your picnic is colorful.
Yes, I can see. So no nye theme unansonye bali no kuambala dress montegere. So I bring this.
Yes.
Oh, the gonja.
Natural nakoze omuntu baba sexy.
Right? Well,
yeah, we're going to tugateka ko juice waffe. Bane abe waka.
I think ngoina compound. Can you pull this off?
Yes, at home you can actually do this.
Yes. I'm glad, by the way, you've decided to come out.
No, meanwhile, we can do a cook at home. I don't do this. She might all the time. Process, yes.
Watumize ino kwanga koze order no tulimba.
Neda. I did for you a very good process.
So this is juice.
This is our juice.
Katana juice mulimu uchi, like for example.
Mulimu obutunda. I mixed 10 of them. Nete kamu 2 carrots. Nete kamu 1 mango.
Hey.
Yes. Wow. And on a budget ya for July.
Budget in budget one. So welcome to Tufumbe show.
Thank you.
Rwalero tusazeho tukikyuse muko. Ate no idea ya Mukisa ndoza mutegeera. Munange nga agamba Doreen omanyi njaga tubikyuse muko. Sigenda saga mbera nyewaka banange mbera nyewaka nze kakati nze Kafumbe mbaleetere. Njagala tukoleka picnic tunonya abantu tutuule era nga tuli side zeno ekira ekifuba kita Chagos Country Resort. Naga Chagos. Naga muje mutuleke no, but I'm going to bring everything tukolenga ka picnic. Theme but then no kwambala kitete ine nerabira. Era mathansonye. It wasn't intentional. So we're gonna call a picnic, making sure please theme color jemu ate mwino enokwanga dressing eri colorful. Shagera. So anyways nagamba ze kambalete le kalete fruitsy nagato fines ngena kufumba balete. The process agabi agenda jitulaga yakozesa ngafumba byafumbye. So the show is brought to you by Chiko Muchuzi Mix era bali mu Tufumbe group mwe bali nnyo nabagambye to this time round tuongeddemu ebirungo. So tujja kwa tuleta mu abantu bemumanyi abamutu bamanyi nenga tukole bitu benjalo. It's meals with conversation. So basically tunyumya netubamanya abantu betulese chiche bagala chechi banyiza like lifestyle yawe and then wetufumba wetunywa. So it's fun, all fun. So next time tobanya it could be you. Otherwise welcome to Tufumbe ogenda kwe.
Thank you Doreen. Thank you.
Introduce yourself.
About this party yenze Mukisa saga. Era nsalisenyo kwa Doreen.
Yes.
Yabade yegambisa I'm on a diet. I don't think I'll be able to eat the food.
I know.
Ngena kujane juice wange. Simaga Coach Rick ajako kubemigo.
Sina kuchitinga ndikukuga.
Mimi kanenga nem kama katula I'm cooking my food. But producer bagano jiria.
Right?
Anengezo tu kano. Doreen is salivating. Martha, enjare numa. I forgot my green juice. Nengambo tyo.
Funye. Abla Martha funye era iswe.
But then when Doreen told me we are no matter I'm on a diet, I was like, okay, fine, it is okay, Doreen. I'm also not going to make things that since we're even going on a picnic. But picnic, Tufumbe mimonde, simanga emmere nsanike, no.
Nodda no tuyala
picnic waboze kuwumula katosobola kuva waka wena watuyanye obadde oli owunya omuka wakereddemu fumba yakantu akali very simple ati nga nange embagament nakoze this sticky chicken era nja kubalaga process yayo ate it is very simple kama ngament it is simple
very
simple. Extremely simple.
So kompisa mu chicken eyo gikoze tukubera sticky so wafunye chicken
yes
different parts in ziraba
yes
kati notandika otya
abamu bakola wings izo kane zinagamere midu parts kubanga omuntu so ayinza okwera nga ayagala different things yes so eno chicken eno wogifuna chicken yo ngojoza bulungi omala okujoza ngoteekamu omunyogo ngoteekamu kagaliki ne onion omala oteekamu garlic no onion ngoteekamu kokanza ngobimixinga give it a little bit of time so that those things marinating bulungi nebingira mu nkoko ye esobola okuwunya ki bulungi womala okola ekyo ng'enkoko eno ogi fryinga mu ki mu butto womala okudi fryinga mu butto ng'eridde bulungi ng'ekoze kala eya gold ng'ogijjamu ng'oteeka esepiki yo ku sigiri oba ku gaasi ng'oteekamu kabutto omala oteekamu kabutto ako ng'okwata tomato sauce ng'oyiwamu yes ng'oyiwa mu butto oyo omala okuyiwa mu butto oyo tomato sauce ng'okwata soy sauce ng'oteekamu omala okuteekamu ebira ekoze that sticky kind of yes.
So tomato sauce and soy sauce bikola that
sticky so ng'okwata chicken ye gy'omaze okugifryinga ng'ogiyiwamu ng'ogiteekamu bulungi ogisaamu ogitabula bulungi nga efuuka bweti bwemala ofuuka bweti kyamukisa bubi neerabidde kakorienda kako kateekamu wali eringa mixinga naye neŋŋamba sibiramu kateeka kubanga bagamba batya endabika y'emmere
maaso like amaaso manyi for some reason manyi tulisa maaso
yes
so kakati if I see that
presentation
nungi now you see that green so that green is okay for me wakati esikiriza neŋŋamba wow that's like
neŋŋamba naye ate tokisusa kuba nadde ngenda teekawo ka flower neŋŋamba chef ayinza okagamba nagamba ka flower kaki
waliwo yatugambye mbu any mistake in art is skill
sometimes ekintu oba tokimanyi okoma ku kyokola ki
but that was nice no seasoning
seasoning ka pot meal then nenkozesa kagundi kaffe ka foil kaffe akali kasikiro ogaye bakana
kafoil kali eyo mu supermarket
keko kenya nembikako
so now here tufuna gonja I think gonja bera mu supermarket
no gonja genda ku katale ogule gonjaawo omala okugula gonja
yengedde nnyo
kisinzira kyoyagala yes ayinza okuba nga yengedde nnyo ayinza okuba nga tayengedde nnyo kakati owange yagize nnyo namu overcookinze nnyo era lyako ŋŋambe sooka okalyeko oba bizze nnyinza okuba nange kandyeko
biryoke by the way
so kagonja kano
nalina flavor eragyempulira
gonja ono
njafumba
njafumbira ddala ati gonja ono ng'omalayo okumujja ng'omusalasa mu pieces zoyagala oyinza okumusala mu pieces obuwanvu oba obutono maazi buno bwe nakoze kati bu pieces buno omala ng'oyiwakoko kati ka is it yeast
ka yeast that's a flavor gyempulira mulimu flavor endala
aba yeast engano
yeast engano kale
engano ng'oteekako ng'oyisaayisako on top omala okuyisako on top ng'odeep fryinga butto oli gwe wakozesezza towetaaga ow'enkoko just oteekamu kagonja
onookekkereza you cook on a budget ate neweeyagala
presentation ng'osala bulungi obunanansi bwaffe
ngulabye enanansi ndaba ne apple watermelon yino mama tweyanziza mukwano
twerabidde bu snacks we had to go to the supermarket ne dodo ne yagamba nze ndikubudde njagala kutuuka ku picnic biki we didn't buy the snacks ningamba okay nyabo Water.
So my darlings, my food is lero tuli side za chagos era muna ituze eno wa echira courtesy over Mother Mukisa agambe Doreen anti bapita Doreen injagala kuli no picnic ze kanfumbe nkulete temutawana njagala kuva waka nkoye. So I'm like, oh, it's okay and wow, it's surprising. This is very good. Ate akozesa sente tono nnyo by the way, budget ya fetwajisemu nze naye
On a budget.
And you have fun with your family, with
your sweetheart. So on a Sunday, just come and chill.
And create memories.
Yes.
Kale, so tugenda genda for a short break or in a short break. But tukomawo tutaine Mother Mukisa, so tugenda kutestinga kumere nga bitunyumya war about motherhood, like what's up, there's gonna be a burger, like all that stuff, gossip basically. So to move out, this is Tufumbe show brought to you by Chico Mchuzi Mix wanaku Spark TV. To move out. Okay, my foodies, welcome back from that short break. Tuchalifena wanoku Tufumbe show brought to you by Chico Mchuzi Mix. Elanga, this is Spark TV. Gorairo tuli ku picnic. Era idea badi ya Mother Mukisa agambe Doreen lero njaga kola ka picnic na babadi yo basingo mothers bani abo bani relationships so yagala oli mu relationship nayo gaba banange spice nze agambe picnic muli busy nayo na Sunday mukolewo chao ka picnic. Are you busy? You have kids, you're busy.
Like, oh, I'm busy. Only busy. Oh my God, to fire could you see? Casta smile. Alina, no chicken, nothing.
Now you are busy. So also look at the motor very busy.
Yes. Because me personally, I'm a very busy person. Yes. Na ye, omuntu oyo aba asobola kutereezaamu ata in your busy schedule. That's right now, as I did, but I'm very busy mother. I want to start working again. I realized that I've been working a little bit.
Yes.
So then I want to go back on stage. So now I'm trying to wow, it's not easy. But again, I'm not talking about so you have to fit out creating all these other memories and also work. When I work a day, I'm not to look. I think I'm advised to gamba. Hey, you see my right to a soccer product. No. Sometimes you just want to say the name of Coca-Cola for you love being out there creating.
Yes.
But then you need to balance.
Oh, you have to balance. Okay, so how is motherhood so far?
Motherhood not bad. Not bad.
I've seen your baby. Beautiful. I felt like something. Yeah, not now.
It's cute. If you say in the morning,
huh? Oh, the sunshine. Martha, don't put ideas in my head. But Mulabi Dengamba, wow. So challenges?
A lot of
your first time being a mother, huh?
Yes, a lot of challenges. Very much. Kubanga, what to share in my
a lot changes.
Omubiri gwo gucho.
Yes.
Schedule
ekyuka.
Kyekirala ekikyuka. Bingi nnyo
ebikyuka. Schedule ekyuka. Ab'emikwano bampulira bawama b'emikwano bakufaako ne bagamba maama. Era ffe abatabali ebyamala.
Era ffe ababadde nga busy nga oli ku trips abalinga emikwano gyagenda. Abeera busy
buli
kyatuyamba.
Aga maama twagira omwana.
Kyatuyamba. Nayenga a lot changes, but again, you don't really need to now can you go, oh my God, I'm this other person, I changed. Now you can try to love yourself within that very tight space. When you will yes. Nagabe dodo ata afumbi emmere inkowe febu
okitegeera tekisoboka kati kambuza how you dealing with amambwe bazaala especially like you're still young but with the breastfeeding kibeera myezi ebiri esatu sagala simanya bere libwe simanya bichi they keep saying all that. So kakati for you what like the so that I know maintain the body which but it's like now you're like you know what is okay. So how are you dealing with the baby fat? Do you have any plans to work on the body or you're like let me relax I don't know.
No, of course I'm not like, oh, it is okay. No, it is okay. Because that's all I need, you know. As myself as a mother, you need also as an artist.
Yes.
So I thought I would start working out around for 6 months.
Yeah.
But then I decided to start work.
Yeah.
Then also immediately I was done giving birth, I started doesn't
What is that?
Yes.
The towel? The smile.
No.
What is that?
No, never would. That's what body shape.
Body shapers. No need that. And then it's typically saggy as you're working out.
Even they say, well, otabusibirawo naddala abatali cesarean otabusibirawo tekiba kyangu okuluza. So immediately by that time nga wakavaayo n'olusiba to expanding.
So there are foods we're eating like we have to be careful.
Yes.
So are you limiting your food or
yes.
you're like it's okay you can still get
breast milk.
Yes.
Yes.
Cravings,
not even just the cravings. Yes, no one you amazi naye ekiriisa. So you cannot just be into no kambire kumazi gokagoka kumanira aba inokola ki
okuna nutrients.
Yes, but then in the Engeri omubiri gwange already many, I decided to cut out. Yes, I said. But once in a while when I do not have supplies, so kunywa yonge ekifuku kyange ekyaporridge naye akamyuka okukola
so nemmere n'okulota snacks n'ozikendeza olya
emmere si kyangu naye banna ndimusaba mukama I reduce on the portion.
mathonzise okwatira ddala n'ogamba you people kandi emmere this whole thing.
No, nabakuli kumukuti kulusege ngochali nakaweli
baleta hip yemmere.
But what helps nze kyanyamba nnyo because you do not really know the baby's routine. Oba okyali awo kyagamba keyingire akanka kabo geno gidange woze nogamba you know what no byesonyiwe ebyo. So it's just a matter of discipline sometimes as a mother. Now, not all the time. But I don't feel guilty into mama. It is okay now okweza kunogamba naye. Ingachiyitiridde nga sikyassa bulungi. Yes, so nze era nade mpira olinga nzisa nnyo nyamukako nenga you know what, let me start working out.
Yes, portion gye tuliko okulwanisa.
Portion kanjagala ekendere workouts nazo nze nazitandisa.
Amina nga bwe tulya minerals bannanga want to test okitegeera tuli very cold in a nice way. You're losing water.
It is, meanwhile omukazi breastfeed we not out all the time with your what? With your bottle of water.
Why? Right.
You need to stay hydrated. Someone is taking out all your nutrients.
The baby is sucking omwana abeera ayonsa or akuyonsa, right?
Yes. They're taking all your nutrients. You need to stay hydrated.
Neno sanga omukyala yenena obumwa nabukaze
amakwata
abakazi abasajja ne bayomba mumala okuzaala ne muntu abifaako weefuddeko bambi
kaskini okalaba
about my skin.
Jojo okulaba eyo
ngenda kujja masa nga toyambadde kaleega nti webakola tebesiba kaleega tebesiga bizigo kati zeno enviiri zibaga
ebyo byabadde abakubuulira ebyo bakulimba
abantu bedda. Let me ask, is it true nti no omukamusajja like kale would you recommend abawala okufumira boyfriends baabwe okufumira boyfriends baabwe
okubafumbira
before they make it official?
It is okay. Really? Yes. It is very okay. Naye ate tobeera nnyo nakajanja.
N'obobeza ettooke.
No, kubobeza, it is okay. It is okay kubobeza ettooke because you know what to do. Naye tobeera nnyo nakajanja. Naawe genda ke wa boyfriend wo akufumbireko. Olage omusajja ono gw'ogenda okufuna. Wonoolwala.
So bw'atanfumbira nga mmanya ndi ku kibi. Ntomedde.
You have to have a loving boyfriend. You have to have a loving boyfriend.
Loving boyfriend abasajja nga tebaagala kufumba maka bamanyi buno omujoze. Agamba onjooga otya nga lwaki nfumba.
Abo basajja si babedda.
Nebe gye bali n'okwoza nga ate okwoza ebintu. Oyagala kwolezeko ebintu.
Buli kimu mu nnyumba omusajja it is okay to do it. Because nze nakula ewaka nga mami waffe baganda bange abalenzi bayigiriza ebyo byonna waaki eri abibayigiriza.
How to treat a woman olina okukola ebintu.
Yes.
Nange njagala nnyo ofuna omusajja ng'asobola okwoza ku bintu tufumbe ffenna
Tomuyina.
Temuyembere nzija buwera.
Batenze nkukolera eki. Gwe ba brothers bange
Ba brothers balina ssente. Martha,
lekera okulinda omusajja alina ssente.
Deda mukwano gwe nninze. So weba brother wa alina ssente, Martha, don't even say a lot. Nze wendi.
Bane love mulekera onnyo ogiteekamu ebyo ki obwo obutijjo busimanya ng'onoonya. You go to God omugambe kati omumbe obubu. Obumbe otandika okuwumba.
Naliko okubumba omusajja gwe njagala.
Watermelon is so nice. Simanyi producer kyaliko.
Producer ali wali. Emututunulira agamba naye banna.
The watermelon is so nice.
Watermelon is very sweet. Thank you.
So I used to hear.
Gabali abane batusonyiwe. Sembaga. Any hope?
I'm praying for it.
Njagala kubeera ngondi flower girl.
My flower girl. Ate mukwala wange nabyo.
Simanyi mukwala flower girl abakulu. Flower girl omukulu. But any hope?
But you're not married.
Babega married. Flower girl. Why flower girl abakulu nga tugale flower woman. Nze nkusooka mbere nga njira ebimuli.
So anytime losing weight. I have to fit in my dream dress. I'm going to be with these saggy boobs. Excuse you, I'm going to work out.
But they leave Martha's boobs.
Yeah.
Music career. We're expecting anything. There's a new song. I think on TikTok. Many of you no challenges.
Woba tonja galanta, shonko yonko ya zenta, shonko yonko ya zenta. You know? So, Fanenze, simanyi bannayuganda kyemunapa naye mbayimbira ennyimba z'emiramwa.
Kalungi era munnange wamma
bakolera ebintu ebirungi nga bino. Nembaga bannaayi. Mugende mweyagale. Life is short.
And bambi omusajja akwagala. I love this. I love kwa balamu naye babakyaba nga amaze okuzaala. So Martha, thank you so much.
Enjoy your apple.
Bwobale ng'akuwa. Bw'oyiye enkoko ng'akuwa. Bw'oya juice ng'akuwa. Naye wekyo tunaamuluuzinga oyo ng'omusajja akyakupamparing. If I start yapping. All right, cheers to life. Tufumbe kale. Nice juice. All right, guys, bannange, we are done. So tugenda sigala nga tulya enkoko nnungi. Aya bagamba engeri gyagifumbye era ogenda kwaba kulaga. Kunasonwa. Enkoko nnungi. So guys, banda isibacha bagenda kulya ku fruitsi banana ziri wano na osobola chikola bane waka little money ate ne weyagala you bond with your family, you create memories. Banange tulina creating memories bagamba ne mami yakolanga bwati, daddy yakolanga bwati, twatulanga bwe tuti nga tospendize sente nyingi. So ne waba oli busy osobola chikola ne bawaka nga mina compound ne kabalaza kolako ka picnic ko. Very easy, mutulaawo si buli sawa mu nyumba banaye bikoya. Yeah, mu bonding ne oba boyfriend wo oba ngolaba love techajja byakusika, you feel like waliwo ekimisinga. Once in a while do this.
So bagendeko ku picnic.
Kitegera agendeko ku picnic nozawulira. So guys, thank you so much. This is Tufumbe Show brought to you by Chico Muchizi Mix and of course Tuliko Spark TV. N'abalabi ba Tufumbe, thank you so much. Mukisa, thank you.
I love you guys. Mugenda challenging olimba Ranu Nanjagala YouTube channel, subscribe. I love you so much. Thank you to the producers. I'm in love with them. Thank you to Dodo. These guys have really given me enough